Here's how to delete or change your email in Roblox quickly and safely. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the More button in the top left corner. Now, scroll down and tap Settings. Then go to Account Info. This is where your email and account details are stored. Keep in mind, you cannot fully remove an email from Roblox unless you replace it with a new one. So tap the edit icon next to your email address and enter a new email you want to use. Um, Make sure you type it correctly because even a small typo can stop verification from working. Next, tap Save or Change Email, and Roblox will send a verification code or link to your new email. Open your inbox, find the message from Roblox, and click the verification link. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Once verified, your new email will automatically replace the old one on your account. You can go back to account info anytime to confirm the updated email is saved. And that's it. Your Roblox email has been successfully changed. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials.